Good morning, friends. We are studying tense in English. We have studied what is means by tense, basic tense, sub kinds of tenses, then under the sub kinds of tenses, simple tense, continuous tense, perfect tense, and perfect continuous tense. So today we are going to learn about perfect continuous tense. Number 10, present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense means चालू पूर्ण वर्तमान काळ. या काळाचा अभ्यास करत असताना मी तुम्हाला सांगितलेलं आहे की लिहिलेली जे एक्झाम्पल आहेत, दिलेले एक्झाम्पल आहेत, ती मायनर आहे, ती फारशी महत्त्वपूर्ण नाही. यातली महत्त्वपूर्ण बाब आहे तो लिहिले गेलेला टेन्स आणि येलो कलरमध्ये लिहिले गेलेलं स्ट्रक्चर. सो स्ट्रक्चर इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट. If you are well known about the structure, then there is no any kind of difficulty while framing sentences. So we are studying present perfect continuous tense, and structure of present perfect continuous tense is yes plus have oblique has plus been plus before plus o. You have to memorize this structure. Yes plus have oblique has plus been plus before plus o. This is the structure of present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense structure is yes plus have oblique has plus been plus before plus o. Example, first example, I have been writing a letter. Second, he has been eating a mango. Raju has been drawing a picture. Such type of example I used here. And from simple tense, I told you I don't want to change these examples. Reason is there that you should differentiate that examples with a particular tense. So I have been writing a letter. If we are thinking about present tense, then I told you about helping verbs. We must remember helping verbs. Already all these things I have cleared you. Helping verbs and structure. Then it's very easy to understand this particular tense. Alright? So I have, we have, you have, he has, she has, it has, they have. If we think about present perfect continuous tense, then you should know the structure of the helping verbs also. I have, we have, you have, he has, she has, it has, they have. Okay. So I have been writing a letter, and already I told you been is used for perfect tense. So I have been writing a letter. I have provided here example. So what is the structure of the sentence? I is a subject, have been is a helping verb, and writing is before, means fourth form of verb, and o is object. Then he has been eating a mango. Raju has been drawing a picture. Raju is a subject here. Has been is helping verb. Drawing is before, means fourth form of verb, and a picture is object. I told you, in board exam there will be two type of question. First type, that is how to identify the particular tense, identify the tense, and I am going to tell you the particular thing, such thing which is very easy to identify. I told you while identify the particular tense, if the question is there, identify the particular tense, then we have to read the particular sentence and we have to find out the main verb from the sentence. Main verb is here writing, main verb is eating, main verb is drawing. Writing, eating, drawing, it has called also ing form or also fourth form. So if there is fourth form, means ing form is there, then the tense is continuous. Okay, so we have got here the tense is continuous. Then o, object, never help us to identify the tense. Then subject also never help us. Then have is always used in present tense I told you. Have is always used in present tense and been is used for perfect. I told you before. What is this? Before is continuous. It's showing us here continuous tense, that is ing form. Have is used in a present tense and been is used for perfect. So present perfect continuous tense, my dear friend. Present perfect continuous tense. You tell me an example. Any kind of example. So I will find out that particular tense of that sentence by using this method, and you have to also follow this method to identify the tense. How to identify? Next tense I am going to tell you. So first we have to memorize here, we have to remember here present perfect continuous tense we are studying here. Structure of present perfect continuous tense is yes plus, have oblique, has plus, been plus, before plus, o. An example is here, I have been writing a letter. Already I told you writing is a main verb and form of that verb is for, that is continuous. Have is used in present tense and been is used in perfect. So present perfect continuous tense. Number 11, past perfect continuous. My friends, I told you it's very easy. Structure is yes plus, had plus, been plus, before plus, o. If you think about other tense, there is a change of helping verb, but particularly if you think about past perfect tense, there is no change in helping verb. Helping verb is same here. So I had, we had, you had, he had, it had, they had. There is no change at all. Had is everywhere in past perfect continuous tense. So I had been writing a letter, he had been eating a mango, Raju had been drawing a picture. Am I right? So the structure of the sentence is yes, I is subject, had been is a helping verb, then writing is before and the letter is, as like Raju is subject, had been is a helping verb, drawing is before and a picture is a object. Then how to identify? I told you this technique, writing, eating, drawing. For example, before is here eating. It has got also ing form. It tells us tense is continuous. So eating tells us the tense is continuous. Then a mango never helps us. He never helps us. And had is always used in past tense. And been is used for perfect. Been is used for perfect. So before it is ing form or fourth form of main verb, then had is used in past tense and been is used for perfect tense. So past perfect continuous tense already we have got here structure of the past perfect. Then last number 12, future perfect continuous tense. What is the structure of future perfect continuous tense? Yes plus shall oblique will plus have plus been plus before plus o. The structure of future perfect continuous tense. Example also here, I shall have been writing a letter, he will have been eating a mango, and Raju will have been drawing a picture. Same procedure we have to follow. Then we have to find out main verb from the sentence. Then we have got here drawing is a main verb and form of that main verb is before, and before means ing form. Before means ing form, and ing form always tells us the tense is continuous. Okay, then a picture, that is a part of object. Object never help us. Raju never help us subject to identify the tense of the sentence. Then will is always used in future. My dear friend, I told you shall and will is always used in future tense. So we have learned here will is used in future tense and another will is used for perfect. So future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense. Am I right? I told you while studying this tense, we have to memorize, we have to remember the structure, and if you perfect at the structure, then there is no any kind of difficulty while framing your own sentences. I think that today we have completed here part of tense. We are going to solve this particular example, which which are already used in board exam. So if there is any kind of difficulty, you tell me. Okay.